Hello, brothers and sisters. I'm now cooking eggplant with omelette with ground pork. And first, I grilled some eggplant. Now we remove the skin of the eggplant. Some blood just remove the skin. With some eggs. Put some salt and some salt. Dip the eggplant on the egg. Press it a little bit. I saute some ground pork with onion. Put some salt and pepper. I will add this to my omelette eggplant. Some egg on the bowl and mix this with mix it thoroughly. We're ready to fry our eggplant omelette ground pork. Some oil. There's ground pork and there's eggplant. So I'm frying the eggplant. Flip it back again. This is my eggplant omelette.